Hello and welcome to the 8th and probably final part in this series of videos on how to overcome driving anxiety. If you've watched the series so far, you'll have already been through quite a lot of emotions, maybe quite a few sensations. We're now going to finish with a nice positive sensation, maybe the most positive of them all, laughter. I want you to think of something that makes you laugh, really makes you smile. Maybe a funny piece of music, maybe an old scene from a comedy show, maybe an old boss you used to have at work who was an idiot and makes you laugh. Find something that makes you laugh, get in your car and laugh, and really laugh and laugh and laugh, and go driving when you're ready. When you've done all this and you're laughing, go driving and keep playing that music, that whatever it is, as you're driving, and laugh instead of getting anxious. And you'll be amazed at the power laughter has to help you overcome your fear. So I do hope you found this series of videos helpful. Check out the links in the description to work with me and go even deeper. And I'll have another series coming soon on to what to do if you're actually driving and the panic comes on. Let me know what's happened for you in the description. Thanks for watching. And as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.